This is the Chapter 18, Segment 3 outline for BNS. Visual neurons have distinctive receptive fields, and they can excite or inhibit the neurons. And they can also study visual attention by recording activity of individual visual cortex neurons. There's 3 ways that attention affects single cell recordings. Selective attention. One way is the selective attention to the cell's field may enhance or suppress the response. And also that attention can sharpen the tuning of central neurons. And third way is that attention might induce shift in the tuning of the cell. A study was conducted by Moran and Desimore, and they studied the effects of shifts in attention of receptive fields for single neurons. Through this, they found that preferred stimulus and an ineffective stimulus, they showed them. And action potential was recorded when attention was at the preferred stimulus. In the second condition, the monkey's attention shifted elsewhere from the effective stimulus. The consequences of attention are measurable and comparable. In the superior colliculus, the movement of eyes toward objects of attention. Cellular neurons, especially motor neurons, are sensitive to increased cell activity with a shift in attention. In Pulvinar, it was found that it's important for orienting and the shifting of attention. And GABA antagonist is enhance the shifting of attention. In the lateral intraparietal area, acuity is correlated with direction of attention to certain locations and can involve visual or auditory, and encodes a salience map. And the frontal eye field, in which damage to this causes difficulty suppressing unwanted reorientation of eyes to the periphery. And it's a top-down process. In the tempoparietal junction, it is crucial for the bottom-up processes between parietal and temporal lobes, and it shifts attention to a new location after target onset. Voluntary attention control depends on dorsal strema of processing from the IPS, and there's 2 general effects. Attention modulation of neuronal function in visual areas, and coordination with the subcortical system. Damage to the right inferior parietal cortex leads to pervasive neglect of the left side of body and space. Simultagnosia cannot have periphery encompass more than one object at a time. ADHD is a disorder in which the people who have it have slightly reduced overall brain volume, and it's most evident in the cerebellum. And you treat with methylphenidate.